How to reset Capcom ID password when you have forgotten the password. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can easily reset your Capcom ID password when you have forgotten it. Well, the process is actually quite simple and easy. You want to simply head into your browser, and there on your browser what you want to do is you want to search in for Capcom login. Now here you can see I've searched in for Capcom login, so you want to simply search or do so on your browser as well, and there you can see the very first link appearing there, Capcom. You want to simply tap on that particular option there and the first link, and you should head into Capcom ID. Here you can see at the top right corner you'll see the login option. You want to simply tap on that particular login option, and once you do so it will redirect you to the login page. Now once on login page, you can see there will ask you to type in your email and your password, and below your password you can see don't remember your password popping up there. You want to simply tap on that particular option, and here you can see reset your password option. Now here it'll ask you to enter in your email address, and it says we will send you an email to reset your password. So basically what you want to do is on here you want to type in your email. You want to tap on send email option at the bottom of your screen, and once you do so it will send a password reset link to your email. And once you open up your email and open that particular mail and tap on the link, you'll be headed into a reset option. So this way you can easily reset your Capcom ID password when you forget it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.